So while the carburetor is off, I'm gonna throw on a new fuel filter. Try to get this fucking hose off. How is there still gas in that? Alright, so I'm trying to get the tubing off. I did rip it right there, and it is kind of warped and cracked. I don't know if that means I'm gonna get some new tubing or just use the stuff I got now, but at least for now I'm gonna use the stuff and just throw this new fuel filter on. So right now we got everything done that I want done. Got the spark plug replaced, the oil change, and the carb cleaned. I'm not gonna run an air filter on this because I would need to buy a new one, and I'm debating between just buying an air filter or buying a whole new carb, which will come with an air filter. So I'm just gonna leave it off. It's not like I'm going anywhere, just my driveway. And yeah, I'm gonna try to start this thing up and see if it can idle for more than 5-10 seconds. All right, so first startup, I'm gonna put it on, the gas is on and it's filling up the fuel filter, no leaks that I can see. I'm gonna have this off for now because I like to start it up with the carburetor air blocked off, the choke off, or choke on, so it'll run richer, and then once it starts up, I'll flip it. So, first thoughts, idle was definitely high. There's a ton of smoke coming out the back, but it started clearing up, I think. What I think is going on is there's something wrong with the throttle cable. It wasn't feeling right when I was pulling it, so I'm just gonna try to mess around with that. All right, so far, the idle is still really high. I do feel like it's something to do with the throttle cable. It's not feeling right when I twist it. It's not taut all the way. The casing is cracked up at the top. I tried the carb adjustment screw right back there, but didn't really do anything. The smoke is clearing up, the idle's just really high, so I'm gonna venture a guess and say that it's the something to do with the carb here, and like just the throttle is acting up. So check that out. This is all the time I got for now. Peace.